this video we will visit Krka National Park in beautiful Split, Croatia. Krka National Park is known for its stunning waterfalls and lush landscapes. Krka is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. We'll explore the breathtaking Krka waterfalls, share some travel tips and give you a glimpse of what to expect when you visit. Krka National Park is located about 90 kilometers or 56 miles from Split, making it an easy day trip from the city. You can reach the park by car or take one of the many organized tours. The main attraction of Krka National Park is the Sredinski Buk waterfall, one of the most famous waterfalls in Croatia. To get there, you will take our scenic walk along a well-maintained boardwalk. The walk is about 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles long and takes around 45 minutes, depending on your pace and the number of stops you make to take in the views. The boardwalk takes you through a beautiful landscape of rivers, smaller waterfalls and lush vegetation. It's a peaceful and picturesque walk, but be prepared for some crowds, especially during peak tourist season. When we visited, it was quite crowded, so patience is key. As you walk, you'll encounter narrow sections of the boardwalk with no railings where you'll need to wait for others to pass. This can slow down your progress, but it also gives you more time to appreciate the natural beauty around you. There's more to explore around the waterfall area, including old mills and small museums that provide insight into the history and culture of the region. Make sure to take your time and soak in all the sights. And here we are at Sredinski Buk, the largest and most impressive waterfall in Krka National Park. The sight and sound of the cascading water are truly mesmerizing. We are now in Split, Croatia. This historic city on the Dalmatian coast is a treasure trove of ancient architecture, vibrant culture, and stunning seaside views. Today, we'll take you on a journey through some of Split's most iconic sites, starting with the Diocletian Museum. Our adventure begins in the lower section of the Diocletian Museum, housed within the ancient Diocletian's palace. This palace, built in the 4th century by the Roman Emperor Diocletian, is one of the best preserved monuments of Roman architecture in the world. The lower section of the museum features a network of underground chambers and corridors that were once used for storage and as a foundation for the palace above. Walking through these ancient halls, you can almost feel the history come alive around you.
These are the actual halls, the rich stuff.
Now we will explore the old town. Split's narrow, winding streets are filled with charming shops, cafes and historic buildings.
Go down.
Because we are.
One of the highlights is the statue of Gregory of Nin, a medieval Croatian bishop. Legend has it that touching the big toe of Gregory of Nin's statue brings good luck. As you can see, the toe is polished to a shine from all the visitors who have stopped to make a wish. We'll end our tour with a stroll along the side streets and the river, which is Split's beautiful promenade. With cafes and restaurants on one side and the shimmering Adriatic Sea on the other, it's the perfect place to relax and soak in the atmosphere of this incredible city. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Krka waterfalls in Split in Croatia. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.
Let's not get hit by this guy.